Morning, everybody. Ian from Drone Services WA. I do apologise for not making it to the Boekeman's open day today. I did have intention of coming there if I was in the area, but unfortunately, I'm not in the area. I'm actually down Bluff Knoll crop mapping, so I can't actually get there. But there was a few things that I did want to talk about. I did have a really good chat with Ben yesterday and Connor, and I sort of floated a new idea that I had coming with them, and they said they would love it if I actually shared it for you guys today. So it's a twofold thing. The first thing being that I did green on brown crop mapping January, February, March this year. I did a little bit of, say, teaching, and I did quite a few good, well paid jobs for me. Made some farmers happy with the reduction in chemical costs and so on. I will actually do that again this coming year. The price this year is going to be $12 per hectare from start to finish. That'll cover our travel from Perth to wherever we have to go, our accommodation and our food. At the end of the day, we hand you over a RX map that you can load into your sprayer and go and spray. There's a lot of points where sometimes I will help you to try and get it into your sprayer, as I have dealt with quite a few sprayers now. And it can be as simple as one little switch, and it'd be an electronic switch that stops your sprayer wanting to work. So most sprayers will do it. Trimble will not, but most units will do it. It's just finding which ones you do and getting any prescription licenses turned on if required. Some do require that, some don't require it. So that's our green on brown, where we will do the flying for you. That's $12 per hectare. Now, so the next one, and this is what I discussed with Ben, and Ben was quite interested in this one actually, and I find it to be a good idea. Just sort of going around flying and realizing how much mapping is actually out there, and knowing what chemical prices are coming and where farming is heading. The need for reduction in chemical costs is massive, both for obviously your wallets, but more so for the health of everyone that's either working with that crop or eating that crop later on down the track. We don't need chemicals in our lives. They're actually terrible for us. So my idea going forward is I can't be on every farm at every day when required. And yes, there is a few drone companies that'll run around doing crop mapping, but there's not a lot. Based on how many farms there are in Western Australia, we are, yes, well low on our drone pilot count. So if a drone pilot is working in Perth, he doesn't want to come out of Perth. And if they do come out of Perth, they just head straight to the mines. So they work 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off, blah, blah, blah. They get half the year at home. So they're not interested in coming out to the wheat belt, from what I've seen. So my actual idea is I want you farmers to fly. I will sell you all the equipment that you need, inclusive of RTK base stations. I will then set the drone up. I will instruct you how to do all your flights. I will do a day's handover with you to make sure that you are happy flying the drone. We fly an automated procedure at all times. I will teach you to fly manually, just for that rare occasion when a hawk decides it wants to attack your drone, which will happen. Just to take evasive action and get yourself out of there, because you don't want to crash your drone. You want to finish your flight and produce your crop map, which is what we're there for. So I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know. I'm going to help you. We'll get your ARN, which is one of the two things that we need to do with CASA. The second thing is we need to register your drone. That'll cost you $40 a year. We'll get that sorted as well. So at the end of the day, you're the farmer and you're flying on your land. You do not need a license. Once you've finished your flights, to my satisfaction, we will then take the data back to your house where there will be a computer. And in that computer is where we will do the processing. So instead of us trying to upload data, which takes a hell of a lot of time, or drive it somewhere to get someone to process it, it will be processed remotely by us at your house. So that computer in your house belongs to Drone Services WA, and it will stay there for as long as you use our service. So if you're using us for green on brown, and then hopefully we're going to evolve into zonation mapping with multispectral, which will be another one for applying more or less fertilizers to the areas that do and don't need it, which I believe sounds like a fantastic idea. They're the two things we would like you to do with Drone Services WA. The green on green is coming. Is it there yet? I don't think it's there yet. But next week it could be there. So software, I get software updates for the program I use every 2 weeks. I'm getting an update. Something's changed, something's new. It's great, but we have to wait. So the green on green is an in-depth beast. When it gets there, it'll be fantastic. At the moment, I don't believe it's fully there, but we can get ourselves ready for it. So we can learn to fly. We can do the green on brown. We can do the zonation maps, and we can play around with the green on green a bit. There is a few certain things we can do. The AI weed detection is probably the hardest one, and I haven't seen it yet. That's not to say it's not coming. So just have to sort of watch this space. That's all you have to do, really. So you're willing to fly. What's in the kit? So what we're going to supply you is all DJI equipment. So we're going to supply the brand new DJI M400 Matrice. It is a fantastic drone. It has 55 minutes flight time. It only is running 3 batteries, so there's a saving in itself. It also has terrain follow, which some farms we will use it on and some farms we won't use it on, just depending. But that'll all be written down for you. You just follow our procedures. On top of the drone, you'll get 3 batteries, TB100 batteries. You'll get 1 charger, the BS100. You will get 2 WB37 batteries. These are the batteries we put in the remote control. You'll then get 1 times Zenmuse P1 45 megapixel full frame camera. It's literally like an SLR on steroids. It's fantastic. After that, we're going to have the EMLID RS3 RTK GNSS base station with a tripod and associated parts. We're then going to supply and cap that off with the Starlink Mini. Now, the reason why we're supplying the Mini is because you'll always need it with you on most occasions. We're then wanting to go a little bit further because I've already been asked for this, whether we can supply it all in the trailer. Yes, we can. I'm looking for a specific trailer. Being a Boilermaker, I will find the best trailer there is. And we're going to supply a generator on the front of that as well, so that everything is ready. So when the conditions are perfect, you can jump out there and fly. Now, green on brown conditions are different to green on green conditions. In green on brown, it can be blowing 40 kilometers an hour. It doesn't matter. Go fly. Yes, it will deplete your battery life. You won't get as long a flight time, but you'll still get the job done. But the likelihood of it being that windy will be quite slim. When we're doing zonation maps, so when we start talking zonation maps, the wind isn't so much as a problem. It will decrease the flight time, but we'll be flying multispectral, so the vision we're getting from it's not the same as using an RGB camera. Now, the green on green, if we're going to do some of it, is reliant on wind factors. So we want a lower wind so that crop is less likely to move. Different crops react differently. If you wanted to overfly a canola crop, it will actually react to the wind a lot different than the wheat crops. So there's little things that we can put in place so that we can achieve these things. So that's the main package. The package without the trailer and the generator is initially what I'm selling. Then we're going to add the trailer and the generator after the fact. And I believe it the right way to go, but I'm not spending your money, you are. So we're going to supply you all the equipment so you can complete all the flights as instructed by us and give us quality data that we can then create quality orthomosaics from, and then RX maps for your self-propelled sprayers. Feel free to either give me a call or send me an email, or if you want to, just blast Connor with some questions. I'm sure he'll have some answers for you. And if he can't, he's going to ring me and I'm going to have an answer for you. Look forward to speaking to you soon.